Hi there everyone and welcome to Tech Cravers. Today we're taking a look at the ultra slim portable monitor SF16 from MINIX and their USB-C to HDMI wireless display adapter. With this adapter you can mirror anything from your USB-C equipped smartphone, your Nintendo Switch, Steam Deck or any other handheld that supports video out through USB-C. It connects within a matter of seconds and you have a 100% portable setup that you can move around your house. And if you don't want to use the wireless adapter, you can of course connect via HDMI cable or USB-C as well. Perfect if you want to extend your digital workspace at home. So in this video I thought we would take a look at what you get in the box and test a few games both over wireless adapter and through the cable. So now, without any further delay, let's jump into it. So the SF16 arrives in this full-colored box, showcasing how the monitor looks and some of its features. And on the back we also get a full spec table, which you can pause and read here. But the funny stuff is of course on the inside, and here you have it in all its glory. And apart from the very bottom where all the ports and buttons are, this monitor really is razor thin. And as you can see, here on the left side we get one headphone jack, one USB-C for the power cable and one USB-C for any device that we might want to connect through there, and also a regular HDMI port. And on the opposite side we have volume buttons. Yes, this monitor comes with built-in speakers, the power button which also functions as a menu button, and a USB Type-A port. On the back of the monitor, MINIX has incorporated a sturdy foldable kickstand that is unlikely to break anytime soon. The only thing I don't like with it is that it doesn't fold out as much as I would have preferred, but nonetheless it's a very nice feature to have. The monitor have rubber feet to avoid sliding around on your desk, both under the monitor itself and under the kickstand. Apart from the monitor we also get this nice soft sleeve to protect it in a backpack. Although it's just to protect against scratches, I wouldn't want to drop it. Then we get a quick start guide, a bunch of different wall adapters that we can attach to the included charging brick, and lastly we get a HDMI cable, two USB-C cables and a USB-A to USB-C cable. However, there's more to this showcase than just the monitor. MINIX also provided their wireless USB-C to HDMI dongle, known as the MINIX C1. This dongle is entirely plug and play. Simply connect the HDMI dongle to a TV or monitor, plug the other end of the dongle, which is a USB-A, into a power bank or any power source, and then connect the transmitter to a device. When you connect power to the MINIX monitor, it will automatically turn on, as you can see here. But since there's no video signal inserted, it will also instantly turn off into power saving mode. So let's try the wireless adapter that we got. The HDMI goes into the port on the left side, and since we have a USB-A on the right side, we can actually just insert the other end there. We could of course also insert it into a power bank or wall adapter. Now put the transmitter in the device of your choice. For this test I'm using my iPhone 15 Pro. The screen will flicker a few times as it's retrieving the signal, and then your screen will pop up on the monitor. The colors and brightness of the monitor might appear subpar out of the box as evident here, however there's no need to worry, the built-in menu offers extensive customization options. If you explore and adjust the settings, you're likely to discover a mode that suits your preferences. There are a few presets that you can choose from, but you can also manually set your own and save it to a user setting. Steam Deck is plug and play with the adapter, and it's really awesome to play the games on the larger screen all wireless. Playing games wireless like this will always get some amount of delay, it's inevitable. But the honest truth is that in games like Wind Waker and a bunch of old retro games that I tested, the delay is almost not noticeable. It's definitely not to the point that it ruins any experience. However, I guess I wouldn't play with the wireless adapter if I was playing online or in an FPS shooter or any competitive games. The MINIX SF16 and the MINIX C1 adapter is a perfect duo for everyone who wants a 100% portable solution for gaming on a larger screen, or when you just want to show a presentation for someone at work that you have on your phone. It's plug and play everywhere, so it's very convenient in a bunch of occasions. If you want to remove any input lag entirely, you can always use the included USB-C cable for a direct cable connection instead. Let me know what you think of a solution like this for your handhelds and other gaming devices at home in a comment down below. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this in the future. Thanks for watching everyone, TechCravers out.